What's going on, YouTube? Fading back in on the Chevy SS project. You see I'm already out here. I'm putting my heads back on, so let's get right to it.
Okay, the sun don't shine every day. The money don't last when you broke. I don't believe in everything they say. The sun don't shine every day. The money don't last when you broke. I don't believe in everything they say. Yeah. My life is like the election. Fuck it, man, it can't get too much worse than this. Well, at least I'm not in the back of that hearse and shit. But honestly, society got me fucked up. I look at everything and in my head I scream, what the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to not go insane?
Alright, here's my progress so far. I had to put my front bumper back on. I was looking like a fucking bucket.
You can lose your life on the block there, or get trapped and raise your baby on welfare, or work a retail job, escape hell for a while and contemplate how this is your life now. But you can boss up and chase them.
We gonna go through this every time. Fucking radiators in my way. I'm glad you didn't take this out, but I definitely did not. I was not gonna help you put this damn radiator back. Yeah, we can't take that radiator back. Fucking hate radiator. There, yeah. Alright, that was fine. Yeah, I'm betting this way.
Yeah, I brought the heater for my people at the steep.
Then you want to take him off, right?
They
Take it off.
They gon' hit your phone and tell you that you need to. Open up your YouTube, you gotta see this new dude. He edify my soul like a nigga got some new shoes. He tell me shit like they don't run the world, you do. So make sure everybody in your circle running with you. Your life is like a car, it'll do whatever you choose. Can't nobody make you do shit, this ain't voodoo. Let me show you how to operate in this new school. Never let a nigga try to violate or use you, and keep a dark side for these hoes like Dooku. I lost a friend last year, I'm in a new mood. Staying in my room and never talking to you new dudes. Weird as fuck, homie, I don't wanna know what you do. I ain't talked to my dad in a minute. I'm trying to stay cool in the bay where niggas hate if they don't ever make it out. Maybe that's why this shit so hard and no one ever makes it out. Maybe that's why my favorite rapper dropped an album that was classic, but it didn't get blasted cause it lacked more slaps. Then I dropped, shit changed, new sound, new wave. I was like, I wouldn't change the whole game. Never once did they give credit to the sport they now play. And now I lay in my room with this joint every day. I'm just asking for minimal stress and peace in my mental. I'm blessed, but knowing I'm living with less, and that is the issue. In fact, I'll grab you some tissue and tell you stories you wish you had never heard or had witnessed. You would never want to have lived with, like when they pulled out a pistol and pointed it at my friend. No explanation for it, they just pulled the trigger on him. The word got back to friends, and Nick got back to his mom. But the thought of seeing her crying could probably give you back karma. The thought of being a victim, my best friend got a daughter. If something happened to him, she gon' face a life with no father. This shit is really real, like really fucking real for me. I put in all this fucking work, still there ain't no deal for me. It's a possibility that if I don't blow,
Alright, that's it for today. I need some exhaust gases. That's the only thing that wasn't in that Texas Speed kit.
So I just turn to the beat, thankful that it ain't the street. Keep my feelings on discreet, mobbing through this industry, never changing who I am and chasing who I'm finna be. Doomed like the Kennedys, hated like a killer bee, fighting all that bullshit alive.